Hello and welcome to the OWC instructional series of videos. In this installment, we will show you how to replace the nib in the Digitizer pen for your Axiotron Modbook. We've got our new nibs and the nib removal tool. We are now ready to begin. Here we have the standard Digitizer pen and the Studio Digitizer pen for the Modbook. We're going to work with the standard pen, but the process is identical for both models. A nib removal tool should have come with your Digitizer pen. Line up the notch with the nib. Squeeze the tool tightly and pull the nib out of the pen tip. Select the nib you want to use in your pen. Each one has a different feel: studio pen, pencil, or felt tip. In this example, we're going to install the Studio Pen nib. Place the flat end of the nib into the hole at the tip of the pen and slide it all the way in. Once it's in, give the nib a slight push to secure it into place.